Good day, Money Masters. It's me, SJ. We are following on today in our mini series. The previous video was about what is a unit trust, and I promised that I would tell you, and that is today's video, what is an investment platform, the account or mechanism that you use to buy and sell unit trusts through. If you're a subscriber, you are a Money Master legend. And if you're not yet, welcome. And I hope this video gives you an idea of what to expect and shows you that there's value in this channel. But let's go for today. Let's rock and roll. Okay, let's go. Investment platforms. Why is it important that you know what an investment platform is? In my previous video, I explained what unit trusts, or also called mutual funds, are. And to recap, the most important thing, it is one of the best ways for us to take our savings and start investing. Why? Because a unit trust allows us to take smaller amounts of money, pool them with other investors to create a big pot that's then managed on our behalf, and we can have access to that pot of money by owning the units in the unit trust. Smaller investments on a more regular basis, if you don't have these large sums of money once off, and even if you've got that, you can still use unit trusts. But why is that important? I take you back to a video I made a while ago called How to Start Saving, where I shared my Think Formula 2, and it looks like this. Your income, what you first do is you take your savings off, you pay yourself first, okay, and your giving, and that after that the money is left for spending. You don't spend your money and hope there's something left and decide that if there's something left you'll invest then, because most of us run out of month before we run out of money. No, we want to pay ourselves first, and this unit trust platform and the unit trusts is one of the best ways to start doing that. So today we are talking about investment platforms, or how to invest in unit trusts. So let's have a look at the basics of an investment platform. Again, it's a legal structure. You have to be licensed and regulated to provide this platform. So that's great for you and me as investors. That's awesome. It provides us with protection because it's regulated. So there's less chance of just some guy opening an investment platform and running away with your money. Great. It's usually offered by insurance companies or an independent business that doesn't offer you maybe life insurance or insurance on your car, but almost always the underlying license of that company is an insurance license. So, therefore, in South Africa, all the big insurance names that you know offer an investment platform. Old Mutual, Sanlam, Momentum, Discovery, they all have investment platforms, and most of the banks as well have investment platforms. So what's the purpose of these investment platforms? Well, it gives you central access to unit trust. What does it mean? You have this one account that you open on an investment platform. You start saving into that account, and from there you've got central access to lots of different unit trusts. It provides products. So today I'm not going to tell you all about the products that's available on the investment platform, but basically what happens is once you've opened your account on the investment platform, you put money in, you're going to select one or more products, and that product then can invest in the underlying unit trusts. It's a good thing, okay? So it provides you with products, and a lot of these products have benefits for us. Consolidated reporting. So if you've decided to invest in more than one product, or in a product but more than one unit trust, the investment platform will give you a report to show you and consolidate everything that you have invested in. The next benefit or the next thing that's important is easy administration. We all love easier administration. And these investment platforms were created to, one of the main purposes is to make your admin easier. So once you've got your consolidated report, it gives you everything that you need to know, and it gives you information about, let's say, tax information. How much income did you earn from interest? How much capital gains were there perhaps? So it makes your administration easier. Okay, so what we do now is I'm going to quickly take you through an example of what happens on this platform. So firstly, this is you. You are happy and cool because you know what's going on. You open an account on the investment platform just like opening a bank account. This is just not a bank. Okay, what happens then is you select a product. As I mentioned, these are not all the products available. I just randomly selected 3 of them. And what will happen now is on this investment platform, you will have lots of different unit trusts. And if you take it a step further, from your bank account, especially if you're starting out on your savings and investment process, you want to give your investment platform permission to take a debit order. In other words, to take money on a monthly basis from your bank account. It gets transferred to your account on the investment platform. You have selected products, so your money goes onto the investment platform, into the product, and then into the unit trusts that you've selected. So let's have a look at this. Let's assume you could take $1,000 that comes from your bank account onto the platform. You've selected to invest 300 of the 1,000 into this discretionary or open account, 200 into this product. That's called a tax-free savings account. I promise I will explain these products in detail in other videos. And let's say 500 of your 1,000 you've decided to invest in a retirement annuity. And then under each of these, you can select the unit trusts that you want. And there's nothing wrong. This one invests in this unit trust as well as this product, because it may be that that specific unit trust is appropriate for both those type of products. And that is really the long and short of investment platforms. You're welcome. So let me conclude by just running quickly again through the major benefits of investment platforms and give you an idea of what to expect in the next video. The major benefits, we discussed them already. A central place to access your unit trust through, this one gateway. You've got one account and you can have access to many different products and many different unit trusts. The next one is the products I mentioned, and then these two that go hand in hand, the consolidated reporting, which makes your administration a lot easier. Investment platforms like a bank account, but with probably an insurance company where you open an account and you can have access and invest, buy and sell. You can start your savings process or build on your existing process to create and preserve your wealth. You, money master, you. Thank you for joining me today. Please remember, wherever you see this icon, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can follow me on Twitter at MoneyMasterSJ on Twitter. And then next video, I already alluded to it during my video today. I will start talking about the different products that's available on the investment platforms, what their benefits are, so that you know what to watch out for and which product will suit you depending on what you are saving and investing for. Great. I look forward to seeing you in that video. Cheers.